Okay, this is an old one. I think I got out of my Jetta. It was reading as a bad battery. It doesn't read as a bad battery no more, and it wasn't reading 12 volts. I think it was 11 something. It wouldn't go past 11 volts, and it came out of my Jetta. And all I did on this one is add some vinegar. The electrolyte was kind of low in one of the cells, and I added some electrolyte, or not electrolyte. I added some vinegar to each cell and a drop of sulfuric acid toilet bowl cleaner in each cell, and it brought it right back to life.